Let's take a look at the volume of pyramids. We're going to start by identifying pyramids, and then we're going to determine the volume of pyramids. So a pyramid is a three-dimensional shape whose base is a polygon, and each corner of the polygon is connected to a singular apex. Each base edge and the apex form a triangle, and pyramids are determined by the shape of the base. So we can have a square pyramid with a square base, a rectangular pyramid with a rectangular base, and a triangular pyramid with a triangular base. So the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base multiplied by the height of the pyramid. Now, this is the same as 1/3 the volume of a prism. So let's look at square pyramids. A square pyramid has a volume of 1/3 side squared multiplied by height of the pyramid. If this was a square prism, it would be area of the base times height. But because it's a pyramid, one important thing to just identify here is that a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the volume of a prism. Now let's look at some examples here. So we're going to look at this as the volume here is going to be 1/3 area of base multiplied by height of pyramid. So we're going to focus on getting the area of the base. Area of base, because it's a square, is going to be 8 centimeters multiplied by 8 centimeters, which is 64 squared centimeters. The height of the pyramid, is 9 centimeters. So the volume of this pyramid is 1/3 multiplied by 64 square centimeters multiplied by 9 centimeters. So 3 here, 9 divided by 3, we get 3. So this is going to give us 192 cubic centimeters. So this is how you would approach the volume of a pyramid. First thing, get the area of the base, figure out the height, and then divide by 3. Now let's look at a triangular pyramid. What we do is area of the base times height divided by 3. So let's look at an example. So we have the volume is 1/3 area of base multiplied by height of pyramid. So let's look at the area of the base first. Area of base is equal to, because it's a triangle, is 1/2 base of triangle multiplied by height, which is 1/2 15 and multiplied by 10, which is going to give us 75 square centimeters. And then the height is 16 centimeters. So the volume is going to be 1/3 75 square centimeters multiplied by 16 centimeters. We divide 3 and 75, we get 25. So this is going to give us the volume of this pyramid is going to give us 400 cubic centimeters. Now we have a rectangular pyramid, so the base is a rectangle, so the area of the base multiplied by height divided by 3 will give us the volume of this pyramid. Now let's look at this example here. So the volume is 1/3 of area of base multiplied by height of pyramid. So let's look for the area of the base first. Area of base is 5 feet multiplied by 14 feet. This is going to give us 70 square feet. And then the height is 19 feet. So the volume of this pyramid is 1/3 of 70 square feet multiplied by 19 feet, which is going to give us, when you compute 70 and 19, get 1,330 cubic feet over 3, which, when you put this in a calculator, you divide through. Let's do quickly. 1330 divided by 3, we get 4 here, we have 12, have 1, we bring down the 3. 13 divided by 3, we get 4. 4 times 3, 12. We subtract again, we have 1. We bring down a 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3, 9. Subtract, and then we have 1. So this is going to be 443 or let's start with with fraction. 443 1/3 cubic feet, or 443.3 cubic feet. So this is how you find the volume of pyramids.